Assalamualaikum and good day to Madam Nur Shahida. My name is Amira Farhana, ID AM2011008070. Today I will be presenting about the products and services of Cimb Bank Berhad. Now without further ado, let's get started. But before we go any further, I would like to acknowledge those who involved in completing this assignment. Praise to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala for giving me the strength to complete this assignment successfully. This assignment was able to complete with the guidance of my lecturer, Madam Nur Shahida. I would like to express my gratitude by thanking Madam Nur Shahida for providing me sufficient learning materials which has helped me a lot in completing this assignment. Not to forget my family members for the moral support and my friends in giving me assistance. Now, first I will start with the background of Cimb Bank. Incorporated in Malaysia in 1974 and headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Cimb Group's operation encompass a well-established consumer bank, a premier regional investment bank and Islamic bank served by some 16,699 employees as at June 2019. Cimb Bank is the group's commercial bank with 234 branches across Malaysia. Cimb Bank is the country's second largest commercial bank by assets with over 8 million customers nationwide and offers the full spectrum of banking services from consumer products to business banking services for SMEs, as well as insurance, investment and wealth management products and services. Cimb Bank has subsidiaries in Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam, as well as branches in Singapore, Philippines, London, Hong Kong, Shanghai and Laos, and representative offices in Yangon and Mumbai. Cimb also has Islamic Bank, which is the Islamic banking and financial services franchise of the group with an extensive suite of innovative Sharia-compliant products and services. Their solutions include financing, sukuk, investment banking, transaction banking, asset management, banka takaful and security services for individual, commercial and corporate and institutional customers across ASEAN. With the execution of the Islamic First strategy, they aim to extend the value proposition of Islamic products to their customers and the wider public. Next, Cimb also has Cimb Investment Bank, which is the group's corporate and investment banking arm. It constitutes part of the group's wholesale banking division with a presence in 16 countries across Asia Pacific, providing a complete suite of services to corporate clients, governments and financial institutions. CGS Cimb Securities, a joint venture with China Galaxy International, is the stockbroking arm for the group, providing institutional and retail equity broking services and equities research. On to the next slide, we will walk down the history lane of Cimb Bank. In 1974, Pertanian Baring Sanwa Multinational Bank (PBSM) was established in Kuala Lumpur and launched by Prime Minister Tun Abdul Razak Hussein. In 1986, PBSM changes names to Commerce International Merchant Bankers Berhad (CIMB) after acquisition by Bank of Commerce. In 1987, Bank of Commerce successfully listed on Bursa Malaysia. 2010, Cimb Group launches banking operations in Cambodia, bringing retail banking presence to 5 Asian nations: Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand and Cambodia. 2018, Cimb received approvals from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas (BSP) to establish and operate its banking business in the Philippines. With these approvals, Cimb Bank Philippines launched its digital retail banking business in December 2018, establishing Cimb's presence in all 10 Asia's countries. Next are the list of products and services that is provided by Cimb Bank Berhad. Under digital services, customers can use Cimb Clicks, Cimb EVA, Cimb Partner Pay Solution, apply for products and Do It Now QR. For accounts, saving accounts, current account, fixed deposit. For investment, unit trust fund, Sharia compliant unit trust funds, e-gold investment account, Amanah Saham Nasional Berhad, term investment account I, bonds, reverse repo, floating rate negotiable instruments of deposits, Islamic negotiable instruments, structured product, Islamic structured product, private retirement scheme, special Mudharabah investment account I, Clicks Trader, Internet IPO application, retail MYR denominated negotiable instruments of deposit and sukuk. For cards, debit card, credit card, prepaid card, credit card services. For financing, personal financing, property financing, auto financing. For insurance or takaful, life insurance or family takaful, car insurance, travel insurance, personal accident insurance, credit-related insurance or takaful, property insurance or takaful. For rates and charges, forex rate, interest rates and charges, profit rates and charges, CIMB base rate or base lending rates. Not to forget, from the products and services that I have mentioned just now, does consist instruments of money market and capital market. For example, instrument of money market is the negotiable instruments of deposits. Then, bonds is also the instrument of capital market. To simplify, we take credit card as an example. And the credit card, Cimb offers Cimb e-credit card. It is a credit card that lets you get the most out of your cashless payment online or offline from e-commerce and e-wallets, auto billing as well as everyday in-store purchases. The minimum income requirement to apply is Rm24,000 per annum. The annual fee is Rm100 for principal card, but it will be waived for the first year for new applicants. The annual fee for subsequent years will be waived if total spend on Cimb e-credit card per annum exceeds Rm12,000. No annual fee for supplementary card. Benefits for customers is that customer can enjoy up to 12 times bonus point on e-payments including e-wallets and almost everything else with no minimum spend. They can pay with points at any of participating merchants nationwide. Then, Cimb bonus points give the best conversion value of 400 bonus points equal to Rm1 ringgit. Then, I have made comparisons of Cimb Bank versus Cimb Islamic banks for saving accounts to see the differences that each bank offers. For Cimb Bank is a non-Sharia compliant bank. For Cimb Islamic Bank, they shall accept the sum of money deposited and any sum of monies to be subsequently deposited in the savings account I on the Sharia principle of tawarruk. For Cimb Bank, depending on the type of savings account opened, the bank may choose to issue or not issue a passbook to the account holder, while Islamic Bank can only be operated through a passbook or statement depending on the type of the savings account I. Lastly, Cimb Bank has interest rate while Cimb Islamic provide profit rates. Lastly, Cimb Bank complies to the government policy in operating their business. Cimb has put in place an anti-bribery and corruption framework which includes the policies, procedures, risk assessment, due diligence on third parties and associated persons, and employee training program. The Cimb Group Anti-Bribery and Corruption Policy sets out the guiding principles for Cimb to address and manage bribery and corruption risks in all its dealings and related issues that may arise in the course of business. It reiterates their commitment to full compliance by their employees and associated persons with the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission MACC Act 2009 and the MACC Amendment Act 2018 and any other local anti-bribery or anti-corruption laws that may be applicable. That is all for me. Thank you.